What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is B-Side Investing, and if you're new, please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you've been watching this channel for a long time, it's been like maybe 6-7 months now, so if you've been watching from then, thank you very much, and really appreciate you guys. And let's get on to it. Today's video, from the title, it is HUT. They just updated, and they just updated us, and they're providing mining production updates for July. I like that they're doing this now. I'm not sure if they did it last month, but it is a nice change. Let me just confirm. I don't think they did it last month. No, it doesn't look like it. Yeah, no. So they're doing it now, so that's good. So yeah, okay. Currently Bitcoin is at just below 40k right now. A couple $100 here and there, but looking really solid. DigiHost, let's see, HUT right here, moving really nice. Looking really positive for the day. So let's get on to it. Before starting, I just want to put out a quick disclaimer. I do own HUT shares. I do this every video just to kind of let you guys know what I own. If I have stake in the company, the videos that I'm doing. So let's see here, 190 shares, currently up 37% at the average cost of 474. Not the best, and this is on the TSX, not the Nasdaq. So this here is not my main portfolio. This is the 100k challenge portfolio that I'm doing from 1k to 100k. So if you want to check it out, I do kind of like a weekly update now. So head over there, and I did a video on DigiHost today. It's released yesterday. I did it yesterday, but it's released today morning, so maybe a few hours ago. So definitely check it out. And yeah, okay. It's not a big update, but it's not a long update. That's what I meant to say. But it's essential, very, very essential. It needed to happen a while back, but I'm really glad that it's happening now. So, you know, I'll take what I can get from them. So, yeah. So what they have is right here. So they have mined 300 Bitcoin in July, resulting in about 9.7 Bitcoin per day. And so this is 100% self-mined, so they haven't bought anything, and it's deposited into the custody. And it's in the reserve. So total Bitcoin balance held in reserve as of end of last month is 4123 Bitcoin. So I have updated right here 4123 Bitcoin for HUT8, and they have put out a new goal here as well, 6 exahash, and we'll get to that. And let's see, so they received and installed 920 new machine. So that's 93 petahash in production. Right here. So this will be 93, not 90, not 7, oh, sorry, 78. And it'll be 73. Let me just save that, and boom. Okay, so obviously this is, the increase is also because of the sharp decline in global hash rate and the ongoing prohibition of the cryptocurrency mining in China, and the network difficulty adjustments that's happening, and the downward Bitcoin adjustment that's happening, and HUT8 is producing significantly higher quantities of Bitcoin at pretty much the same price as what they would be doing normally. So it's, now that they're producing more Bitcoin, obviously the cost is going to be lower per Bitcoin. So average produced for HUT8 increased by approximately 50%, which is ridiculous. I mean, if this happened, I want to say maybe like, if this happened in Q3 or Q4, holy cow, look at the hash rate that's coming in for each of the companies that I've listed here. 2.3 targeted, not confirmed, no orders yet. Maybe one is confirmed. 2.5 to 3 exahash confirmed for HUT. Mara, that's confirmed. Riot, that's confirmed. we have the orders set. Bitfarms, that's confirmed, orders in place. If this happened here, they would be at a way higher Bitcoin amount. I mean, just think about 50% at 2.5 or 8 exahash. Jesus. They're currently doing 2 exahash. Oh, they said that's Mara. I'm doing a separate video for Mara, so check that out as well. It'll probably be around... Yeah, I'm doing that. I'm really... Let me just... Beep, boop, beep, boop. Let me just run back. I'm recording this right back to back. So HUT8 will come out first, and then I'll do Mara probably tomorrow morning. So, yeah. Okay, so let's see. HUT8, right, 1.273 exahash. So if they were to do it, if this prohibition of Chinese Bitcoin miners happened in Q4, 2.5, so they would be at, let's see, so they're currently 6 Bitcoin per day without the adjustment. So it'll be 12 and then 12 half, so that's 6, so 18 Bitcoin. So that'll be twice, so that'll be almost twice this amount. So that's crazy. That's crazy. And that's per day, which is ridiculous. Yeah. All right. So it's a 50% increase from 6.5 to 9.5. And so if you look here, so based on the current mining condition and install hash rate, HUT8 projects approximately 910 Bitcoin in the third quarter of 2021. Wow, that's a lot. Just in the third quarter alone, which would bring them up to approximately 4733 by September 30, so by end of Q3, and that's another 600 plus. So okay, so let's see. Since the IPO, blah blah blah. So the current they're currently producing approximately 10 Bitcoin per day, and I didn't know about this. Honestly, I thought it maybe take like maybe 1 quarter, max 2 quarter for the network to kind of get to kind of just come back to the original state. But it says that reports suggest that the exodus of miners from China may take an extended period to resolve, and global network hash rate could remain depressed well into 2022. So that's holy cow, that's another, what is that, 5 months? 4 months, 5 months, yeah, and including this month. So yeah, that's crazy. And obviously they're well positioned to take advantage of the favorable Bitcoin mining economics expected to continue into 2022. And we're also expecting the price of Bitcoin to go higher than just $40,000 currently. And so yeah, if you don't think this company is going higher than what it's currently at, in my opinion, you're smoking something. So, yeah. Obviously, you know, just, I kind of have to say this. Obviously, always do your research, you know. This is just my opinion, and obviously, make sure you know what you're getting yourself into, right? That's why we say do your own research, so you don't regret getting into a position that you don't know. Okay, let's see. I think that was it for this one. Yeah, so I'll do the Mara video now, and check that out too, because Mara is, you definitely don't want to miss getting into, or at least just put Mara into your watch list. At least, I mean, if you're watching HUT video, then you definitely know Mara. So yeah. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.